In this lesson, I will explain to you how you can upload pictures on the Facebook account. So first of all, you have to open the Facebook account just like I did, and then see here what is on your mind written here. So there are two different ways how you can upload. I will show you both. The first method is here you can see photo and video. If you want to upload video, you have to follow the same steps. So click here, the photo will open here, right? Suppose if you have saved your pictures on your USB, on your desktop, documents, wherever you have saved, you can go there and find out your pictures. I have saved in my pictures folder. So my pictures are here, right? Suppose I want to upload this picture, so just double click and you will see it will take only few seconds. The picture will be there. See how easy it is. Now, after this, see edit mode is there, add photos is there, picture is there. Another way, I will show you now another way, that is why I'm going to cross this out. Another way is, see what is on your mind, just click here. Instead of click on picture and photo, just click here, and the see you will see different options here. The first one is the photo and video, so click here. Same, if you have pictures on your USB or your desktop, go there and find out your picture. I have my pictures here in my picture folder, so this one, double click and you will see again in few seconds the picture will be there. Right? Okay, it's uploading. So after this, see here it says only me and there is an arrow button. Open this arrow button, then you can see different options. If you want that everyone can see your picture, so you have to click here on public. If you see the public is there now. If you see only your friends can see, so put a check mark here. If you want that friends accept, right? Suppose you have 1000 friends and you see that 500 cannot see, so just click. I will just show you, okay? Otherwise it will take time. So how you can, suppose these, I did these three. If you want, just put check mark here, means these friends cannot see your pictures. And do not forget to save changes, right? I'm not going to click here. So cancel this, and then if you want only me, I am going to click here, only me, right? And then you can see only me will pop up here. So now only I can see my picture. Now after this, what is in your mind? If you want to write down something, I will just show you here that I am going to write down happy birthday, right? To whatever. After this, see here, if you will click on the picture, we have edit button and add photos. So first we will discuss this add. Click add button. When you will, sorry, edit button. When you will click on edit, you can see four options are here. Crop, rotate, tag, alternative text, right? If you want to rotate your picture, you can click on this and it is rotating, right? Tag photo. So when you will click on this tag, what will happen? If I will click here, right, it will open. Suppose if you want to tag to Saif Ali, Muhammad Haris, whatever, so just pick the names from here. In this way you can tag your pictures. This is the alternative text. Open this and whatever you want to write down here, happy birthday Manahil or whatever, right? All the best wishes, right? Good luck, or I can write down good luck here. Good luck. And the first one is the crop. So click on the crop and then please save. Okay. Whatever you do, so first of all, you have to save the changes. This is save. Again, click on the edit button and then crop. Right, when you will click on the crop, you can see the circles at the corner of the pictures. If suppose you want to cut some parts, so you can play with it by using the crop button, and then do not forget to save. I am going to cancel it, right? Keep editing or discard, right? That is fine. So this is fine. Now if you want to tag to your more friends, same thing, this is the tag option as well. Open this and then see, so all friends are here. you can scroll and check, right? Suppose if you want to tag this, and do not forget to this, and at the end you have to press the done option as well. And again, I am not going to do it. Okay, so where is my picture now? Okay, we were working here, right? Next is, here is the feelings. If you will open this, then you can see okay, it's running. I will show you what is coming up. How are you feeling? Happy, sad, right? Blessed, loved, or suppose blessed. I will click on blessed. And then after this, suppose check in. If you are going to a restaurant or home, where are you? Right? I will say I am at home only. So home. And then I will show you at the end when it will finish processing. Search for location. If suppose you are home hardware building Thompson, right? Home. So I said home, whatever. It's up to you, whatever you want to write down. Suppose if your picture is disappeared, do not worry. Okay, just click here, it will pop up again. Okay, at the end GIF. So this cannot be combined with whatever we did here. Here is the more option, check in, tag friends. We did all these things here, right? How simple it is. Now click here, right? Add photos. If you want to add more photos here, so again click here one more time. Same thing will open. Suppose you want to add this picture, so double click, right? It will come up here. If you want to add third picture, so go there, add photos, and then it is, see this time I also want this picture, these three pictures, right? This is my album, and now I am going to, when it will complete the processing, I will post it. Now I am going to post it, but this time only I can see these three pictures, right? So the picture is there. Now if you want to write down some comment, or if you want to like it, write if comment happy birthday, okay, happy birthday, whatever you want, just enter, and your comment is there. And here is again GIF, right? GIF is there. This is the poster sticker. Open this. What sticker you want, right? Happy, in love. Suppose I want this one, in love. So enter first. Okay, this one is better. Click, it's there, right? In this way you can upload. Now if you want to upload all the photos together, so same thing, go to the photos. In this way you can create your album in one shot. Suppose all this picture, then press and hold the control key on your keyboard, and one by one select all these pictures and open it. So in one shot you will see your album will be ready. And again the same thing, you want to show this album to your public, you want to tag, you want to write down something, give, or check in, or feelings, or tag, whatever you can do, right? It will take some time, and then when everything is done, then you have to press this post button, right? It is, there are 5 pictures, that is why it is taking a time, and it says now posting. See, so you have seen how you can upload one picture or album, right? If you want to see your album, just click here, and then see this is the arrow button. Now you can move your arrow from here. This is the right, and from here is the backward if you want to go back. And this is the zoom in and zoom out button. So I hope that you have enjoyed this video. See you in the next lesson, and thank you.